Okay, to make a scatter plot and a trend line in Google Sheets, you're going to go to sheets.google.com. You might have to sign into your Gmail account. Go ahead and sign in. And once you get to this screen after you sign in, click on blank. Alright, you're going to go ahead anywhere you want and type in your data. I'm going to pause and type mine in so we're not doing video time with it. Okay, so I typed in all my data. You might recognize this data from the M2 lesson. Shows up both in the lesson and in the OCE, I believe. Alright, so you type in your data and you highlight what you have, and then you insert a chart. There it is. I went too far. And typically by default it gives you a bar graph. That's not what we want. We come over here and we click on that and we scroll down and we find scatter plot. Okay, now to get the trend line, we come over here to customize and we open this one called series. And we gotta scroll down a little bit and we want the trend line, and it draws it right in for us. And then it would be helpful if we had a label on that, and I always use equation. And so it tells you there's the equation of the trend line right there. Now, something I don't like about this graph is that it puts 7 right here. It looks like 7's kind of on the axes. So I would come back here to customize, close up series, and I would change my horizontal axes. So I want my horizontal axis to start, I want to be able to see the actual axis. So I'm going to tell it start at -1 and go to something bigger than 12, because 12 was our biggest data point. I'll go to 13. But then I can see I also need to change my vertical, because I really want to be able to see the vertical intercept. So I'm going to come back up here and change my vertical axis. Now, I'm not sure how big I need to make it. I'm going to try 600 as a guess and see if that works. Not quite big enough because I still can't see my vertical intercept. Try 700. There, that's better. Alright, so that gives you directions on how to get the data in, how to get the original scatter plot, how to get the trend line, and also how to change your window if you need to, which you're going to need to do quite often. Hope that helps. If you have questions, send me a message or talk to me in class.